So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am not able to speak English fluently. Why? Because we face words problem while we are going to speak English. Then we face words problem. Because of words, we are not able to speak English fluently. Because we don't know the words what we want to express. So guys, I face this problem. That's why I feel very low. What will I do and when will I be a fluently speaker? I am a fluently speaker, but I cannot speak English when I come in front of the camera. I feel nervous. I feel fear, and I am not able to speak fluently. So I think whatever I know, that is enough. And just if we practice regularly, then I can become a fluently speaker. Because practice can do this. Practice makes a man perfect. We know this very well. How much we know does not matter. In many books I have read this line that how much we know does not matter. The matter is that how much we practice. Because if we practice regularly, then we will face problem, then new words we will learn, and new words will be learning, we will face problem, and then from there I will learn new some things. Okay, and then like this one day I will be a fluently speaker. So guys, if you support me, then I can do this. Without support, I think never I will success. So please support me and watch my videos, and who have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and share the videos to your other friends. Okay, so guys, I tell you that through this channel we will discuss lots of things: spoken English, grammar tips and techniques to learn English. So if you have any knowledge, so you may inform me in the comment box, because comment box is open for you. Anything you can write in the comment box, no problem. Share your opinion, how are my videos and what things do I need to develop. Okay guys, I learn a lot but I forget because of not practicing. I learn more vocabularies, but not to practice I forget, because all the words I don't need what I need to express. So that's why I forget. But when I need that word, but that time I cannot use. It happens to me, and that time I feel low. It is very bad thing. It happens to me when I will be successful in this language, guys. This is a language. So I think instead of reading, we need to practice more, because practicing is helpful instead of reading. I prefer practicing to reading, because this is helpful. What? Practicing. If we practice regularly, so definitely we will achieve our goals. So keep on practicing, and please watch my videos and share your knowledge on which topic should I make videos. Everything you may share with me, no problem guys. Let me know in the comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching Till now, see you again in the next videos.